Home Remedies presents how to make pores disappear using this amazing natural ingredient. It is noticeable that people with oily skin are experiencing a common problem, the so-called large pores. The problem is caused when dirt and bacteria irritate the skin, getting worse when some unhealthy products are used to make the pores smaller. However, let's see the 2 natural remedies today to help you solve such problem. The ingredients used in the remedy makes it extremely good and effective remedy whose results are astonishing. Method 1. Ingredients: cucumber 1, rose water 1 teaspoon, lemon juice few drops. Directions: peel the cucumber and crush it. Take a teaspoon of rose water and add a couple of drops of lemon juice. Place it in a clean cloth and tap the cloth on your face. Once you are done, rinse your face with cold water. This process cleans pores and minimizes them most appropriately. Method 2. Ingredients: 2 egg whites, lemon juice few drops. Directions: take 2 egg whites and add a couple of drops of lemon juice. Apply the mixture on your face, let it dry for about 5 minutes and wash your face using cold water. This easily composed mask helps shrink pores and close them on your face. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.